Good afternoon, all of you. Are you able to hear me? Okay. Okay, has organic chemistry has been started with you all? Okay. So today is your first lecture. Fine. Fine. So now some introduction to organic chemistry. What exactly is organic chemistry? Who will tell me what is organic chemistry?
Study of organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen.
Okay.
It's a study of carbon compound.
Are all carbon compounds included in organic?
A carbon is a necessary element in organic chemistry.
Okay. But all the carbon compounds are not organic, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So basically, how do I define organic chemistry? It's a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of hydrocarbons and the compounds derived from them. Okay. So study of hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Derivatives means what? Compounds which are derived from hydrocarbons. All these are included under the branch of chemistry known as organic chemistry. Fine. So you can write organic chemistry is a study of hydrocarbons and its derivatives. Study of hydrocarbon and its derivatives. Okay, for organic, you will be maintaining a separate notebook. And all the things I write on the board, whiteboard, you all are supposed to copy that in your book. So notebook you'll be maintaining for the class notes. And one other notebook you'll be maintaining for your homework. Have you all received the module from PACE?
Yes, ma'am. Model 3.
Okay. Fine. So the homework will be given from there, and then you'll have to solve your homework in the organic homework book. Fine. And for theory part, my notes are more than sufficient. You don't need anything else apart from my notes for the concepts and the theories. For practicing, the first thing you'll practice is from your module, and then the questions to be practiced are from the next book you'll be having. The reference book you'll be using here is MS Chauhan. Has anybody told you to purchase this book?
No, ma'am. Which one, please repeat?
This is a reference book. This is a practice book for only questions are given in this book. MS Chauhan. So MS Chauhan you buy for the JEE Advanced. Fine. The level of this book is very good. Questions are very nicely given in this. All good questions are there. PDF I can share with you all if you all want. I have the PDF for this. But for that, I'll need to make a WhatsApp group with you all. Fine. So I'm sharing my number with you all here. After the class, what you're going to do is just send me a message. I'll create a WhatsApp group and I'll add you to that group.
Okay.
On that group, I can share all the recordings and the PDFs and whatever, like practice sheets and all. So this you just message me after the class, not now. Fine. Just write down your batch number. I think it is Zenith 7 and 8. Na? And then I will. Do you all have any group like together with Zenith 7 and Zenith 8?
No, sir. Both groups are not.
Mom, there is a group, but not everyone's present.
Okay, so it's better I only create the group. Fine. So I'll create the group and I'll send you the link across. So that link you can just click on that link and you can join the group.
Okay, sir.
But send me a message after the class. Did you all note down the number? Okay, fine. So now study of hydrocarbons and its derivatives is done under organic chemistry. Now, why was the need or why was the need required for separating all these carbon compounds into a different branch of chemistry? Why did the need arise? What is the reason for placing all these compounds together under a different branch of chemistry? Can I say it is basic because of the large number of compounds formed by carbon? Okay, the large number of compounds are formed by carbon, and that is due to a unique property of carbon. What is that unique property?
Tetravalency, I guess.
No, tetravalency is there for silicon also, but silicon doesn't form so many compounds.
Catenation power.
Yes, the unique property of carbon, which makes it different from the other elements, is catenation. What do you understand by this term catenation? Catenation means self-linking. Okay, catenation is self-linking. The carbon atoms here can bond with each other to form long chains as well as ring systems. So this unique property is associated only with carbon, the self-linking property, which is called as catenation. And the reason for that self-linking ability of carbon is due to the strong CC bonds. CC bond energy is very high. Okay. Bond energy of CC bond is very high, and therefore carbon easily forms bonds with itself. This leads to the formation of long chains or even ring systems by carbon atoms. Okay. Fine. So now, where exactly do you find applications of organic compounds in your day-to-day life? Of course, carbon compounds are very, very large in number, but where do you find applications of this? Neil, whatever I'm writing on the board, you'll be writing. Fine. Okay, combustion में होता है. Okay, combustion में you'll have hydrocarbons being used as fuels. Fine.
Welding.
Okay, welding. Where else? Respiration. Okay, alcohol.
Digestion.
Okay. Disha, alcohols will be used in day-to-day life. Of course, some people do drink every day. Fine. Where else? Fine. So now let me tell you the applications of organic chemistry in your organic compounds in your day-to-day life. In the morning, when you get up, what is the first thing you do? Brush your teeth. Am I right?
Yes.
So the plastic toothbrush which you use, the toothbrush which you use is made up of plastic. Plastic is organic. The nylon bristles on that are again organic. The toothpaste which you use has an organic base with some fluorides, of course. Okay. After brushing your teeth, the next thing you would do is maybe go for a bath. Am I right? Now, when you go for the bath, whatever soap you are using, whatever body wash, whatever shampoos, anything which you are using to clean your body, except water, everything there is organic. Okay, everything is organic. Okay, after you take your bath, what is the next thing you do?
Pray to the God.
Okay, you pray to the God. But can I say before that you have to wear clothes? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
That is also
whatever clothes you wear, चाहे वो cotton का हो, nylon का हो, terrycot हो, कोई भी fabric हो, polyester हो, everything what you wear is organic. Okay. All the material which you are wearing in your clothes is organic. Fine. After that, as you said, you pray to God. You comb your hair also. Am I right?
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
combing के लिए जो
That is also
ब्रश यूज करते हो वो प्लास्टिक होगा या वुडन का होगा, करेक्ट? तो वो भी तो
Means the
ऑर्गेनिक.
oil can be considered organic.
Of course, oil is organic. Oils, fats, they are organic. Wax, okay, all this is organic. ठीक है.
ma'am,
पूजा
all
भी जो
food
करते
items
हो,
are also organic.
अगर पूजा
All
करते
food
हो तो
items.
कैम्फर यूज करोगे या अगरबत्ती यूज करोगे या जो भी करोगे, ऑल दैट इज ऑर्गेनिक. ऑल आर ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स ओवर देयर. ओके, ठीक है. उसके बाद क्या करते हो? ब्रेकफास्ट करोगे? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Whatever you eat is organic. जो भी खाते हो it is organic in nature. Carbohydrates,
Sir.
proteins, जो भी vitamins, ये वो जो भी खा रहे हो सारी चीजें organic है. ठीक है?
तो मैम तो फार्मास्यूटिकल की दवा भी हो गया पूरा.
जी?
मैम दवा भी हो गया ना, मतलब पूरा फार्मास्यूटिकल पूरा.
Of course, the entire pharmacy is organic. Pharmaceuticals are organic compounds. Explosives are organic. All the explosives are organic. Pharmacy में जो भी use होता है वो सारा organic है.
ओके मैम. और फ्यूल भी.
Fuels भी organic है. For traveling you need fuel, am I right? Petrol, diesel,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, all this
Yeah.
is organic. And then your entire body from your hair to toe, you are made up of organic compounds.
Organic. Chemicals.
Yes, the entire body I said from your hair to your toe is made up of organic compounds. Okay, except water जो है, बाकी जितनी भी चीजें हैं तुम्हारी बॉडी में सारा सिस्टम तुम्हारा ऑर्गेनिक सिस्टम है. Even if you are blinking your eye, it is because of an organic reaction occurring in your body. Okay, so that is the importance of organic chemistry in your day-to-day life. Samjha? Okay, it is extensively used from morning
Yes,
to
ma'am.
till you sleep. Even after sleeping also, when you're breathing, it is because of your organic reactions occurring in your body. Your heart beats, it's because of an organic reaction occurring in your body. So you are surrounded everywhere by organic compounds, and within you also you have organic compounds. Is this understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let me just give you the classification of organic compounds, and after that I can start with the IUPAC naming system. So just write down the classification of organic compounds. Classification broadly classified into two types. You have open chain and you have cyclic compounds. Open chain are also known as aliphatic compounds. Then cyclic compounds, you have homocyclic and you have heterocyclic. What do you mean by homocyclic? Cyclic means the
Same chain.
presence of a ring is there in the molecule. If the ring is made up of only carbon atoms, then we classify the compound as homocyclic. But if the ring is made up of atoms other than carbon as well in the ring, कार्बन के साथ साथ अगर और दूसरे एटम्स भी हैं, अगर जैसे नाइट्रोजन है, ऑक्सीजन है, सल्फर है, then the compound is classified as heterocyclic. Now homocyclic again is further classified into alicyclic
Alicyclic or aromatic.
और aromatic. एलिसाइक्लिक ये होता है, जैसे ये है, इस कंपाउंड का नाम क्या है? साइक्लोहेक्सेन. Am I right?
Yes,
Can I
ma'am.
say the ring is made up of only carbon atoms here? ये सारे जो हैं ये कार्बन एटम्स हैं. ये जो सारे जो पॉइंट्स दिख रहे हैं, कितने पॉइंट्स दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पर?
6.
हाँ, so it is
Six.
cyclohexane. All these 6 are carbon atoms. You can also show it like this. अगर ऐसे नहीं समझता है तो ऐसे लिख लो. Can I say the ring is made up of carbon atoms? So it is homocyclic. ठीक है? अब aromatic में भी ring ये कार्बन वाली ही होगी, but these have special properties associated with them. For example, benzene. You know, benzene is an aromatic compound. Aromatic compounds are usually conjugated. Conjugated मतलब उनके जो double bonds है वो alternate होते हैं. You know what is a pi bond? Pi bonds पता है ना क्या होते हैं?
Yes,
Bonding
ma'am.
में हाँ, ये
Lateral
देखो यहाँ पाई,
overlapping.
यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड है बिटवीन कार्बन एटम, तो पाई बॉन्ड है. यहाँ नहीं है पाई बॉन्ड, फिर यहाँ पाई बॉन्ड है, फिर यहाँ नहीं है, फिर ये पाई बॉन्ड है, फिर नहीं है. So this is conjugation. Conjugation means presence of alternate double bonds. So aromatic compounds have different properties that from alicyclic. Okay. Like homocyclic are classified into alicyclic and aromatic. Similarly, heterocyclic are also classified further into alicyclic and aromatic. The difference being here, you'll have a heteroatom. Like for example, if I take this compound, these are all carbon, ये जो हैं, but along with carbon, there is one other atom. ये कौन सा atom है? Which atom is this? Oxygen है ना ये? So along with
Yes.
carbon, you have an oxygen atom here. So that is why it is heterocyclic. Heterocyclic means other than carbon, you'll also have an atom other than carbon is also present in the ring. Fine. तो इसमें भी ये एलिसाइक्लिक है और ये एरोमेटिक है. Open chain can be further classified into saturated and unsaturated. What do you mean by saturated?
All bonds are satisfied. There is no double bond.
No double bond between carbon or carbon atoms. Neither double bonds nor triple bonds present between carbon atoms. So saturated open chain compounds are classified as are known as alkanes.
Alkanes.
Unsaturated mein you have
Alkenes, alkynes.
Alkenes, alkynes.
alkenes will have what? Carbon carbon double bonds,
Double bond.
and alkynes will have
Triple bond.
Triple bond.
Triple bond.
so classification of organic compounds. You have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just write it down fast. Then I start with the chapter of IUPAC.
IUPAC is typically for organic compounds only.
Yes, yes. No, IUPAC you will be doing for inorganic also, but there you'll be doing it later on. Okay. When you take up coordination chemistry, that time IUPAC will be done for inorganic also. Did you all finish?
No, ma'am.
Okay, finish now. I think most of them have
Yes,
completed.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. So now give the heading as IUPAC. The IUPAC system has been devised by UNESCO. Okay, it's a system used worldwide for naming of organic compounds. IUPAC stands for
International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry.
correct. Okay, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. The system is devised by the UNESCO. Okay. Now IUPAC, the nomenclature. The naming of an organic compound has been divided into 5 different parts in the IUPAC system. The central part of the IUPAC system is the root word. This is the centralmost part of the naming. The root word is followed by a primary suffix.
Then secondary suffix and then
Yes.
prefix.
Primary suffix may be followed by a secondary suffix. It is not necessary that secondary suffix always has to be there. But these two are compulsory. Root
That's
word
a
and primary
functional
suffix.
group.
Yeah, secondary suffix is a functional group. Before the root word, you have the primary prefix. This is also optional. You may have a primary prefix or you may not. And before the primary prefix, you have the secondary prefix. Again, this is optional. You may have a secondary prefix or you may not. But the compulsory part in the IUPAC name is the root word and the primary suffix. So now let me tell you what is the term root word. This root word indicates
Number of
Number
carbon.
of carbon atoms.
the number of carbon atoms. Present in the longest chain.
Linear chain.
Basically, it is the longest chain.
Okay.
Longest chain is also known as the parent chain. Okay. So just write this down, then I'll tell you how do we use the root word.
Ma'am, could you see the last slide for a second? Done, ma'am. Thank you.
Did you finish writing this? Okay. So now just let me tell you what is the root word here. Now root word indicates the number of carbon atoms in a organic compound present in the longest chain. If your organic compound has only one carbon, then the root word given for that is meth. No, whatever I'm writing on the board, you please write. Okay. 2 carbon atoms in the parent chain. So what will be the root word?
ETH.
Eth. Yeah. For 3 carbon, it's
Prop.
pro.
Bute,
But bute.
Yeah, bute.
Pent.
pent, hex.
Hex, hept, up, none.
For 8 carbon, it is oct. 9 carbon non.
Non. Deck. And
10
undeck.
carbon you have deck.
Deck.
You need it.
Undeck.
Undeck.
Dodeck.
C16, it will be hexadeck. C17, heptadeck. C18, octadeck. C19, nonadeck. C20, it is ICOS. Om, these are the notes itself, na? What notes you want me to provide you?
It's nothing, ma'am.
You just copy this, ना? ये जो मैं लिख रही हूँ बोर्ड पे वो कॉपी कर लो तो वो नोट्स ही बन गए ना आपके. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you finish writing this?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, this till C1 to C20 we have to by heart, no?
हाँ वो तो हो ही जाएगा ना. अभी इतना 2 years of organic you are going to do. तो धीरे धीरे ये सब नाम खुद ही याद होने लगेंगे. अभी फिलहाल तो बाय हार्ट करना पड़ेगा शुरू में.
What is C20 pronounced as?
ICOS.
It's EI, right?
Yeah, EICOS. ICOS. Some books also have given it as ICOS. Both are fine. You know what is an icosahedron? Have you heard about icosahedron?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Have you heard about a tetrahedron?
Yes.
Tetrahedron has how many faces?
4.
Yeah, icosahedron has 20 faces.
20 faces. Yeah.
Oh. Finish writing?
Max number of carbon present can be 20 or it can go beyond 20 also.
For us, we have to do, I think, till 20, not more than that. Maximum number of carbon can be millions. Okay.
Yeah, because polymerization has minimum 50.
Yeah, of
That's
course.
why.
Yes. Millions and millions of carbon, trillions can also be there. So for your syllabus, you don't have to go beyond 20. Fine. Can I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now root word tells you the number of carbon atoms in the longest chain. The root word is always followed by a primary suffix. Now this primary suffix indicates whether the parent chain or the longest chain is saturated or unsaturated. Now you know what is a saturated chain. Saturated carbon chain means what?
No carbon double bonds or triple bonds.
Yes.
Single bond.
Okay. So if the molecule is saturated, then the primary suffix to be added is ane.
Ane.
But if it is unsaturated, then it
Ene
will
or
depend on the
ine.
nature of unsaturation. Yes. It will depend on the nature of unsaturation. If the unsaturation is in the presence is due to a double bond present, then the primary suffix to be used is ene. But if you have a triple bond present between the carbon, then the primary suffix to be used is ine. Did you get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you finish writing?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so now let me begin with the examples here. This is the simplest organic compound having how many carbon?
1 carbon and 4 hydrogen.
Yes, so 1 carbon, so
Ten.
give me the root word.
Meth.
Meth. Is it saturated, unsaturated? Does it have any carbon?
Saturated.
Saturated.
So no carbon, double or triple bond, so saturated. So suffix to be added
Methane.
here is ane.
Methane.
Methane is the IUPAC name. Samjha?
Can you please explain again?
How many carbon in the compound?
2.
One.
Upar. 1 carbon, so root word given that to that is what?
Meth.
Does it have any carbon, double or triple bond?
No.
So saturated. So suffix to be added is ane.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
So methane. How many carbon here?
2.
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
मैम वो इन वाला था ना, वो 1 मिनट खाली पीछे करो. मैम मतलब सैचुरेटेड है तो इन और अनसैचुरेटेड में डबल बॉन्ड और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड में ये.
हाँ डबल बॉन्ड होगा तो इन और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होगा तो आइन.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
Okay. How many carbon here?
2.
So give me the root word.
Methane.
हाँ ane क्यों? क्योंकि it is saturated. Am I right?
सैचुरेटेड.
हाँ no double or triple bond between carbon. So saturated है तो ane. Did you understand this?
Got it, ma'am.
यस मैम.
Why have I placed 3 hydrogen here on carbon but 4 here on carbon?
Because there is a single bond between the 2 carbon atoms.
Yes, carbon can form how many bonds?
4.
4.
So can I say in this compound all the 4 bonds of carbon are with hydrogen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
In this, 1 bond of
3
this
with
carbon is
hydrogen.
with the carbon. So remaining 3 will be hydrogen, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many carbon here?
3.
3.
So
Propane.
give me the root word. Root word is prop.
Prop.
Again saturated, so
And
ane, propane. Did you understand the name?
yes ma'am.
Okay. Now from 3 carbon atom onwards, you can also represent this molecule in a bond line notation. So now what is a bond line notation? I will explain. This begins from 3 carbon atom onwards, bond line notation. In propane, there are 3 carbon, am I right? Those 3 carbon, you show them
Yes,
as 3 dots in a zigzag way. So these 3 dots are there and join these by single lines so as to represent the single bond between the carbon atoms. So propane, this is the structural formula for propane and this is the bond line notation for propane. So you can write propane like this also or like this also. ये structural formula है और ये bond line notation है. समझा? समझा या नहीं?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Propane has how many carbon? 3 carbon. So those 3 carbon atoms, you show them as 3 dots in a zigzag way. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot. समझा? और इनके बीच में single bonds है ना, तो just single lines को बनाओ to represent the single bonds. So this is propane. ये bond line है उसका और ये structural formula है उसका. अगर ये propane है, so give me the name of this compound.
Pentane.
Very good.
Pentane.
Pentane because it has 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon, so root word pent आएगा. And all single bonds are present between carbon atoms, so N, pentane. Did you understand this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
इसका नाम क्या होगा?
Eight.
Heptane.
Heptane.
Okay.
Heptane. 7.
This is the bond line for heptane. This is the structural formula for heptane. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. ये structural formula है heptane का. Now I'll tell you what is condensed formula. How many CH2 groups are there like this? 1,
5.
2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
So those 5 CH2 groups, I can write it like this. This is the condensed formula. Condensed formula
Okay,
for
ma'am.
heptane. You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अब पेंटेन का भी लिख सकते हैं. पेंटेन का ये स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला होगा. This is the structural formula. This ऊपर वाला bond line है, and I can also write the condensed formula. Condensed formula will be this. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am. Condensed formula.
हाँ, condensed मतलब उनको एक साथ लिख लिया सारे CH2 groups.
Okay.
After all, ये सब है तो heptane ही, right?
हाँ,
Any
all these are heptane only, same molecule with different representations. Okay. Did you all finish writing this?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write it, right.
Ma'am, we can directly write the condensed formula, no?
We can directly write?
Condensed formula, no?
Ah, you can.
Ma'am, this chapter is a bit long, right?
It'll take me 4 lectures to complete.
Okay, ma'am.
only 4 lectures.
Yeah. Did you all finish writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many carbon atoms in the compound?
2.
2.
So give me the root word.
Ethene.
Root word is H. Is it saturated, unsaturated?
Unsaturated.
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 Saturation double bond. Double
E-N-E.
bond के लिए the suffix to be used is "-ene", correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
How many carbon here?
Propene.
3 carbon, 1, 2, 3. So prop.
3.
Again, there's a double bond between
Right.
carbon.
Yes, ma'am. E-N.
From 3 carbon atom onwards, you can represent the molecule in bond line. इसका bond line बना रही हूँ. देखो 3 carbon है. You can show a double bond like
Okay.
समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
इस तरफ बनाओ या इस तरफ बनाओ. It is not going to make any difference. Both are same.
Okay.
Both are correct.
Butene.
If this is butene, then what is this?
Butene.
Are these two compounds same?
Yes.
I
They are
guess
same?
no. I guess no, ma'am.
This is butene. This is butene.
Yes. Can I say here the double bond is placed at the ends of the carbon chain?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
here the double bond is placed in between the carbon
Between
chain.
the yes, ma'am.
So can I say the position of the double bond is different in both?
Yes.
Yes.
And if position is different, I have to number it. Numbering for
One
the
and two.
molecule has to be done from that end, which is closest to the double bond. So should I number it from the right end or the left end?
Left.
Yes,
Left.
because
Left.
double bond is closest from the left end. Do you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
इसका numbering कहाँ से करूँ?
Anyway.
Anyway, does
Where?
not
Because double bond is centrally placed, correct?
Equal.
हाँ.
Between. Yes.
So now there are 4 carbon.
One.
So it is but. It is unsaturated. Double bond है तो ene है. Double bond is
Ene.
placed between carbon 1 and carbon 2, correct?
Yes.
So 1 और 2 के बीच में है. Indicate the smaller number for the smaller number कौन सा है दोनों में
One.
से? So you can name
One.
it as 1 butene, or you can write it as but 1 ene. 1 ene, why? Because ene group is present on the first carbon. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Between a number
One.
and an alphabet, you have to use a hyphen. Between a number and an alphabet, you have to use a hyphen. Between a number and alphabet, you have to put a hyphen.
We
Samjha?
can also simply write this as butene, right? It's
No,
not
you can't.
compulsory.
One
It is
It's
butene.
compulsory to write one.
Yes, because
Okay,
2
ma'am.
ene is also possible. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is 2 butene.
2 butane.
Or you can write it as but2ene.
Butene.
Butane. Hyphen.
So when different positions are possible, you have to compulsorily give the number. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm
Yes,
writing the
ma'am.
bond line for this now. This is but1ene. You can write but1ene like this also. It's same thing. ये और ये same है. इसमें numbering यहाँ से करोगे. Am I right? इसमें numbering यहाँ से होगा. तो किस position पे है
Diagram.
double bond? 1 पे है. 1 पे ही है, correct?
Yes.
So these two are same. But2ene, how will you show? This is the structure of but2ene. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछ लो.
No, ma'am.
मैम वो 2 butane वाला वापस बोलो ना स्ट्रक्चर.
हाँ, तो नंबरिंग हमने कहीं से भी कर सकते हैं क्योंकि सिमेट्रिकल है ना. दोनों साइड से यहाँ से करोगे तो यहाँ से अगर किया तो 1 2 3 4 आएगा, करेक्ट? So double bond
Yes.
will be again placed between 2 and 3. So out of 2 and 3, which is a smaller number?
2.
So that you write down.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
इसका नंबरिंग ऐसे लिखो. Give me the name of this compound.
two hexene.
Oh, right.
Yes.
It's 2ene.
Or you can write it as hex2ene.
Hex 2.
Numbering right से ही होगा इसका, am I right? Right to left.
Yes, ma'am.
Left to right नहीं कर पाओगे because that will give you a bigger number for the double bond. Are you all understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all finish writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Satvik, you have to start from that end which is closest to the double bond. Fine. Okay. Now numbering for this compound will begin from which end? Left side or right side?
Left.
Yes.
Left.
Why do I say left? Because if I number it from the left hand side, which are the carbon atoms having the double bond?
1 and
1
4.
and 3.
1 and 3.
1 and 3, sorry.
Giving me a total of what?
4.
As the sum of locants. Okay. Sum of locants here, if I number it from left to right is 4. Am I right? What if I
Yes,
number
ma'am.
it from right to
2
left?
and 4.
6.
Double bond is placed on the second carbon now and on the fourth carbon. So what will be the sum
Six.
of locants for this? 6.
6.
The
6.
sum of locants should always be a smaller number. Sum of
Four.
locants should always be a smaller number. So this is wrong.
Locants means double bond.
Locants means where the double bonds are located. Okay. Locants
is
means
1,
location.
3.
Location कहाँ पर है? That is locant.
So,
So
it's
now,
1,3 pentene.
nahi, I'm coming to that. How many carbon now here in the main chain? 5
5.
carbon. Yes.
5.
Now
Pentene.
it's a ene. Why it's a ene? Because can I say carbon-carbon double bond is there?
Yes, ma'am.
But how many times is a double bond repeated?
Twice.
Twice. So it is a diene. If a double bond is present twice, it is diene. Thrice hoga to triene. 4 times tetraene. 5 times pentaene. 6 times hexaene. 7 times octaene. 9 times nonaene. 10 times decaene and so on. Fine. Here the double bond is
Okay.
present twice. Twice, so diene.
Done.
Give me the
Diene.
positions where the double bond is present.
1,3 pentadiene.
Okay. Between two numbers, you'll always put a comma. Between a number and
Okay.
alphabet, you'll always put a hyphen.
Hyphen.
Wait, I'm not yet done with the naming. Okay. Now this is the root word, which is indicating the number of carbon atoms in the parent chain, correct? And this is the primary suffix, which indicates whether the molecule is saturated or unsaturated. Is this primary suffix beginning with a vowel?
No.
If the primary suffix does not begin with a vowel, then after the root word, you have to add the letter A. I repeat, if the primary suffix does not begin with a vowel, then add the letter A after the root word. So it is penta 1,3-diene, or you can name it as 1,3 pentadiene. Did you understand this rule? Did you understand this
थोड़ा
rule?
repeat करो ना ये vowel का क्या बोला आपने?
Okay. If the root word, if the primary suffix does not begin with a vowel, then add the letter A after the root word. You can write down the
Okay.
sentence if you want. If the primary suffix does not begin with a vowel, if the primary suffix does not begin with a vowel, then add the letter A after the root word. Did you finish?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm showing you the bond line now. There are 5 carbon. There's a double bond here and here. Did you understand the bond line as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Name this for me.
One comma 4,7 or octatriene.
One comma 4,7 octatriene. Very good. Or you can also name it as octa 147 triene. All of you got the name?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
A network issue.
नेटवर्क इशू है. Where do you stay home?
नहीं मिस, नहीं मिस, आपको नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, माइक ऑन हो गया.
अच्छा अच्छा. Can I proceed?
Yes. ma'am.
Miss, just a minute.
Okay.
Yes, mister.
Okay.
Hello.
Ethine.
Yes. How many carbon in this compound?
2.
So give me the root word for this.
ETH.
Is it saturated, unsaturated?
Unsaturated.
Unsaturated.
Nature of unsaturation?
Triple bond.
Triple
Triple
bonds.
bond, so ine.
Ine.
Y N E.
Do
Hello,
you call
ma'am.
it? Do you? हाँ बोलो.
मैम वो थोड़ा एक मिनट पीछे करो ना, वो लिख थोड़ा ऑक्टेव वाला. डन मैम. थैंक यू.
हाँ, इथाइन समझा?
Yes.
हाँ
ma'am.
मैम, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड Y N E.
हाँ. How many carbon?
3.
3.
Root word?
3.
Pro,
Unsaturated है
propine.
propine. इसका bond line.
Unsaturated triple bond.
हाँ, इसका आप bond line देखो, bond line पे ध्यान दो जरा. This is the bond line for propine. Why have I shown this like this?
Cause of triple bond.
This page is only the bond line notation.
Miss, there should be 3 carbons.
What you said? Why did I show it like this? Was my question. ये zigzag क्यों नहीं बनाया मैंने?
Because of triple bond, maybe.
हाँ, so what is the hybridization of the carbon? This carbon is what hybridized? The carbon having the triple bond is what hybridized. You have done bonding?
sp2.
sp3. sp3.
ट्रिपल बॉन्ड वाले कार्बन हमेशा sp होते हैं. ओके, सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स कितने बनाए हैं कार्बन में? 1 here ना?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Do you know how to find out the hybridization?
Yes, miss. Sigma bond plus lone pair.
हाँ, तो इसमें सिग्मा बॉन्ड कितने बनाए हैं कार्बन में?
2.
2 सिग्मा बॉन्ड तो 2 हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल. sp, समझा?
Yes.
So sp ज्योमेट्री के लिए, sp हाइब्रिडाइजेशन के लिए what is the geometry? Linear
Linear.
geometry होता है.
Linear.
So the sigma bonds here, what will be the angle between these two?
180.
180.
So this is
180.
the angle. Sigma bonds के बीच का angle 180 है, समझा? So I can say this carbon, this
हाँ,
carbon
ma'am.
and this carbon, they lie in a straight line. तो ये आपका first carbon है, ये second carbon है और ये third one. Did you understand this?
मैम हमने लाइन के आगे
Yes,
लाइन
ma'am.
क्यों नहीं लगाया?
कौन से line के आगे?
से वन लार्ज लाइन, थोड़ा सा स्पेस छोड़ के स्मॉल लाइन, उसके आगे और स्पेस छोड़ के स्मॉल लाइन.
एक line, उसके आगे क्या?
थोड़ा सा ऑन द लेफ्ट ड्रॉ अनदर लाइन and then again on the left draw another line.
Here.
No. I'll write in my book and switch on the video.
Wait. Okay, show it to me on the video.
Is it visible? Like this.
No, I'm not able to see it.
Is it visible to anybody else?
Ma'am,
Yes, she
Yes,
is saying
Ma'am, she
that
has drawn
a
the
line in
smaller
3
line
parts.
after the longer line.
Yes, miss. Just beside the longer line, and one line will be
Way,
longer than
that
the other
way.
two.
So you're showing it like this and like this.
ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am, only 3 lines.
Only the middle part.
So where is the double bond? Where is the triple bond then? And this represents how many carbon atoms you have shown? ये एक carbon है, ये दूसरा है, ये तीसरा है, ये 4 carbons are you showing.
triple bond नहीं.
Did you understand what I've done here?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Okay.
Yeah, but can you explain this bond line notation once again, which you have to
Central carbon here is what hybridized?
SP?
This is your central carbon. Can I say इसका ये sigma bond और ये sigma bond 180 degree में होगा?
Yes, miss.
ये अगर उसका sigma bond है, see, I'll show it to you. Let me take these two as the pi bonds. Fine. Just concentrate on the blue line. The blue line is the sigma bond formed by the oh, sorry. So this is one sigma bond and this is the other sigma bond formed by carbon. Can I say the bond angle between these two sigma bonds will be 180?
Yes, miss.
That is what
Yes.
I've shown. Got it?
So the pi bond is represented by the short lines, up and
Yeah,
down.
these lines, yes.
So miss, it's compulsory that we have to only draw it on the left. If we draw it on the right side, then
No, right also it is fine. No? How does it matter? Numbering फिर यहाँ से होगा. समझा?
okay, miss. From where the pi bond is there from that
Of
side.
course, yes. You have to number it from that end which is closest to the triple bond, correct?
Triple bond. Yes, miss. And miss, if it's one triple bond and no, nothing.
I'm coming to that. Don't worry. All your questions will be answered. One triple bond, one double bond, two triple bonds, 5 double bonds, all that will be coming. Don't worry. Okay. How many carbon here?
4.
So bute.
Bute.
1 butene.
Bute 1A.
Why 1 I'm giving it? Because I'll number it from the left end, correct?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Writing this 1 is compulsory. Why it is compulsory? Because I can also have a structure like this.
Because there are most.
I can have the triple bond at the center also, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So this will be named as what?
Yes, ma'am.
2
Bute 2A.
butane or butene. Butane.
I'm drawing the bond lines. Pay attention again. Okay.
Okay.
ये नीचे भी दिखा सकते हो या ऐसे भी दिखा सकते हो?
Okay.
This is your carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4. अच्छा अब ध्यान दो. Can I say ये सिग्मा बॉन्ड और ये सिग्मा बॉन्ड? ये सेंट्रल कार्बन का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन क्या है? So इनके बीच का बॉन्ड एंगल कितना होगा?
180.
180.
तो ये तीनों कार्बन एक लाइन में होंगे, करेक्ट?
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
तीनों कार्बन मैंने एक ही लाइन में दिखाया, कार्बन 1, कार्बन 2, कार्बन 3. Did you understand this?
Yes, miss.
Carbon
Yes,
3 is sp3 hybridized. So इसके bond angles 109.28 होते हैं. टेट्राहेड्रल कार्बन है ना?
हाँ.
ये टेट्राहेड्रल कार्बन है तो ये कार्बन के 2 हाइड्रोजन और एक कार्बन जो ये है वो टेट्राहेड्रन बनाएंगे. तो ये है आपके 2 हाइड्रोजन और एक कार्बन. ये टेट्राहेड्रल स्ट्रक्चर हो गया. समझा?
So we have to draw the
Yes,
hydrogen.
ma'am.
No, you don't need to draw the hydrogen in bond line. Bond line we don't show the hydrogen. Fine?
And is that bond between third and fourth have to show more than 90, na?
Yeah, more than 90. ये 109 डिग्री 28 मिनट्स के आसपास होगा. समझा? Now coming to this,
Yes,
इसका
ma'am.
बॉन्ड लाइन देखो. ये है इसका बॉन्ड लाइन.
2 butene.
ये कार्बन का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन बताओ.
sp2.
sp ना, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड वाले sp होते हैं, करेक्ट? ये कार्बन sp है, तो कहना है ये सिग्मा बॉन्ड और ये सिग्मा बॉन्ड 180 पे होगा.
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
तीनों कार्बन एक ही लाइन में है. Am I right? अब ये कार्बन भी क्या
Yes.
हाइब्रिडाइज्ड है?
SP.
तो ये सिग्मा बॉन्ड और ये सिग्मा बॉन्ड के
Yes.
बीच में एंगल 180 होगा.
Yes, so all four in one line.
तो कहने से all
Yes.
4 are in one line.
Okay.
Did you
Yes,
understand
yes.
this? Did you understand this?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Name this for me.
And 2 ion.
Yes.
Pentine.
Numbering is compulsory, my dear. You can also name it as 2-pentyne, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
इसका bond line बना रही हूँ अभी.
Ma'am, why not add A here?
हाँ, I wanted you all to ask me that question. Just pronounce this. What do we pronounce this as?
Pentine.
It's ion.
Ine.
Wine. Do I pronounce it as wine?
No.
Can I say it makes a sound of a vowel only? Wine.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
I का sound देता है ना ये.
Yes.
So I is,
therefore.
though it doesn't, it is not a vowel, but it sounds like a vowel, correct? So you have to take the sound of that vowel. So it sounds like a vowel, so you don't have to add the letter A. Fine?
So miss, somewhere if it would be two triple bonds, then only we can use not A.
Yes, yes. Then you'll have to use A.
Miss, how you pronounce that? Diene.
Pentadiene, something like that. Okay, now this carbon and this carbon are what hybridized?
sp.
SP.
तो ये bond angle कितना होगा?
180.
180.
तो ये bond angle मैंने 180 रखा है इधर. Am I right?
Yes, miss.
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
आपका C1 है, C2, C3 है. C1 है, C2 है, C3 है. Bond angle कितना है इनके बीच में? 180.
180.
अब ये कार्बन क्या हाइब्रिडाइज्ड है? sp है.
SP.
तो ये
SP.
बॉन्ड एंगल भी कितना होगा?
180.
180.
तो ये फोर्थ वाला भी एक ही लाइन में होगा. Am I right?
Yes, miss.
अब ये sp3
yes,
है तो इसका बॉन्ड एंगल ऐसे बनेगा. समझा?
Yes, miss.
हाँ मैम.
ये लाइन ऐसे ऊपर भी बना सकते हो.
Okay. 2 pent.
Miss, if some compound has bond angle 90, so you have to draw it straight down or up.
Yes, yes, yes. वैसे 90 का बॉन्ड एंगल तो आएगा नहीं. sp3, sp2, sp में बॉन्ड एंगल्स 109.28, 120 और 180 के होते हैं. करेक्ट?
मैम 1 पेंटाइन का लाइन डायग्राम कैसा होगा?
ओके. One, two, three, four, five. करेक्ट? इसमें ये बॉन्ड एंगल
Yes,
180
ma'am.
होगा. डू यू एग्री?
SP 180 degree.
और बाकी तो
Yes.
सारे sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज कार्बन हैं. समझा?
हाँ मैम. One select actually.
Did you understand this?
यस मैम.
ये
Yes,
खाली
ma'am.
बॉन्ड एंगल 180 होगा. Did you all finish writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Almost done.
इसका नंबरिंग कहाँ से करूँ?
लेफ्ट. 1,3 डाई पेंटाइन.
नहीं,
पेंटाडाइन.
डाई आइन होगा. डाई आइन. पेंटा डाई आइन. आइन ग्रुप 2 बार है ना, तो डाई आइन. आइन ग्रुप अगर 3 बार होता तो ट्राई आइन. आइन 4 बार होता तो
Oh,
टेट्रा आइन. समझा?
yes, ma'am.
2 बार है तो डाई आइन. You can
और
also name
एक
it
भी
as
add होता.
penta 1,3 diene.
1,3 diene.
अब यहाँ पर ए डाल दिया मैंने. क्यों डाल दिया ए? क्योंकि ये
Because
vowel
D
नहीं
is
है.
not a vowel.
And neither it sounds like a vowel. Correct?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
showing you the bond line now.
SP.
Why have I shown all the carbon in the same line? ये सारे कार्बन हाइब्रिडाइजेशन बताओ. ये चारों कार्बन का.
SP
तो ये बॉन्ड एंगल कितना होगा?
SP
180.
ये बॉन्ड
180
एंगल कितना होगा?
इधर भी SP 180
ये भी
degree.
sp है ना? तो इसके भी
हाँ.
दोनों बॉन्ड एंगल्स 180 पे होंगे ना बॉन्ड्स. ये कार्बन
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
हाइब्रिडाइज्ड है?
SP
तो ये भी बॉन्ड एंगल्स किस पे होंगे? 180 पे ही होंगे. Then I
180.
say all the 5 carbon will be in the same line.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
linear, you got a linear chain.
हाँ
1, 2, 5.
नहीं 8 बार होगा तो नहीं होगा ना, तो ऑक्टा हो जाएगा ना, ऑक्टाइन। तो ओ वॉवेल हो गया, तो फिर ये ए नहीं आएगा।
वॉवल नहीं हुआ तो
वॉवेल नहीं हुआ तो फिर ए डालना, ठीक है।
yes. Okay.
मैम, दो एडजेसेंट कार्बन्स में कभी भी ट्रिपल बॉन्ड नहीं होगा ना?
नहीं, क्योंकि कार्बन के 6 बॉन्ड्स नहीं बन सकते ना, एक ही कार्बन पे 2 बॉन्ड्स, 2 ट्रिपल बॉन्ड नहीं हो सकते।
तो अगर ऑक्टा आइन होगा तो इट विल बी लाइक सम 16 से ज्यादा कार्बन एटम्स होने चाहिए।
हाँ
is
हाँ
what-
हाँ हाँ करेक्ट। इसमें नंबरिंग कहाँ से करूंगी?
Left again.
Yes, sum of locants for double and
one.
triple will be smaller from the left hand side, correct?
And one ion.
Yes.
नहीं, wait. 5 carbon in the chain, correct?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now this compound has both double and triple bond, correct? तो इन भी है, आइन भी है। अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में पहले कौन सा
One
लिखेंगे?
ine, 3 इन।
माय डियर, अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर फॉलो करना है। इन पहले आएगा, आइन
इन।
पहले आएगा।
In
इन कहाँ पर है?
In
3,
और आइन कहाँ पर है?
3 पे
1.
समझा?
1 पे। हाँ मैम।
अच्छा, एक और चीज, ये रूट वर्ड है, am I right?
Yes.
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
दोनों क्या है? ये दोनों प्राइमरी सफिक्स हैं।
Yes.
हाँ
अब
One
ये प्राइमरी
secondary हो जाएगा
सफिक्स,
ना?
ये प्राइमरी सफिक्स वॉवेल से एंड हो रहा है,
Yes.
और ये प्राइमरी सफिक्स वॉवेल से बिगिन हो रहा है। अब ये तुम बोलोगे वॉवेल नहीं है, बट कैन आई से इट साउंड्स लाइक अ वॉवेल?
Yes.
हाँ
आइन बोलते हैं ना, आई। तो ये ई और आई साथ में नहीं रह सकते हैं, तो इसका ई
तो
हटाना
ए
पड़ेगा,
नहीं आएगा।
ई हटाना पड़ता है। सो द नेम बिकम्स पेंट 3 and 1 आइन।
हम इसमें नंबर्स को आगे नहीं लिख सकते ना?
क्या?
We cannot write 3, 1,
हाँ
10, 10, 9.
रिपेंट 1 रिपेंट
Miss,
हाँ,
as we removed the E, we cannot remove the Y.
नो यू कांट। ये सारे कन्वेंशंस है, रूल्स है, वी कैन नॉट डिसओबे द रूल ना।
So only the last letter we can remove.
यस यस। इसका बॉन्ड लाइन बना रही हूँ।
ओके मैम।
ये तीनों कार्बन एक ही लाइन में होंगे। वाई ये तीनों कार्बन एक ही लाइन में होंगे? बिकॉज ये कार्बन क्या हाइब्रिडाइज्ड है?
sp hybridized.
hybrid.
sp। समझा ना?
180 डिग्री। हाँ मैम।
Now double bond and triple bond are occupying equivalent position from either side, correct?
Ma'am, but
यहाँ
we'll
से
start
करूंगी
from left.
नंबरिंग या यहाँ से करूंगी? Sum of locants same
Left.
आएगा?
Left.
Left.
So if the sum of locants is
Left.
same, if the sum of locants is same for a double and triple bond, then the priority is given to a double bond.
It's give.
ओके मैम।
If the sum of locants is same,
Locant system. Okay, okay.
For the same sum of locants, a double bond is given a priority over triple bond. So numbering will be from the end where there is double bond. Samjha?
Yes, miss.
हाँ मैम.
इसका नाम क्या हो जाएगा?
1 pentan
And
4
one
ion.
in
Pent 1N4 ion. Correct?
One and
समझा
yes,
कि
ma'am.
नहीं?
E निकल. हाँ
Or
मैम.
you can write it as 1 pentene.
1 pentane 4 in.
But this rule you will follow only when the sum of locant is same.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, otherwise we start
Hello.
from triple bond, right?
Sorry?
If the sum of locants is not the same, we will start from triple
No,
bond.
then the sum, if sum of locants is not the same, then you have to check for the sum of locants only.
Least sum.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. Any doubts still here?
No, ma'am.
So I think I'll have understood both the parts, that is root
Yes,
word
ma'am.
and the primary suffix, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, finish writing this.
Done.
Yes,
1
ma'am.
minute.
Okay. Did you finish?
Yes, mister.
Okay. So now these two parts, I think I'll have understood. Now I'm starting with this. That is the
Yes,
primary
ma'am.
prefix. This indicates whether the parent chain
Ma'am,
हाँ
मैम इधर भी प्राइमरी था ना टॉपिक. हाँ हाँ बराबर. ओके डन.
so this
Ma'am.
tells you whether the parent chain is cyclic chain or open chain. हाँ बोलो.
When I say pent 1 in ion, I mean when I have double and triple bonds, so both are considered as primary suffix कि एक primary एक secondary.
नहीं प्राइमरी सफिक्स ही हैं दोनों. सेकेंडरी सफिक्स तो फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स होते हैं. ओके I have not started the function. I'll be starting functional group only in the next class. Fine.
ओके मैम.
एन इन
Prefix.
आइन ये तीनों किस में आते हैं? प्राइमरी सफिक्स में आते हैं.
प्राइमरी सुफिक्स.
Got it?
सारा सफिक्स. यस मैम.
Alcohols poly का poly एसिड जो हम लोग डालते हैं ऑल वो सब secondary होता है.
हाँ ऑल एल ओइक एसिड वो सब सेकेंडरी सफिक्स आते हैं. Got it? ओके प्राइमरी प्रीफिक्स लिखा है ये. Did you write it?
हाँ मैम लिखती है. यस मैम. Please.
Ma'am, could you show that first slide once again? No, the second one, primary prefix. Done, ma'am.
What is the name of this compound? 3 carbons. So root word?
Propane.
Prop. Saturated है तो
Propane.
Am I right?
Yes ma'am. 1 single bond.
How many carbon here?
Structure.
3 carbon. So root word
3.
prop. Saturated है ये भी.
Cycloprop.
Proof.
Are these two same?
No.
So how can
Yes,
the names
ma'am.
be same? Names have to be different, correct? Can I say here the carbon chain is open chain,
Yes.
but here the carbon atoms have been connected to form a ring?
Cyclic.
हाँ, तो cyclic
Yes,
ring
ma'am.
बन रहा है, तो here you have to use a primary prefix of cyclo. Cyclopropane is the name. समझा के नहीं समझा?
Got it.
Okay?
हाँ मैम.
ये हो गया primary prefix, ये root word है और ये primary suffix है. Did you get this?
मैम साइक्लो
Yes,
होने के
ma'am.
लिए मिनिमम 3 कार्बन
Yes,
चाहिए,
ma'am.
राइट?
Minimum 3 carbon चाहिए. Yes. अब इसका bond line will be showing it as a triangle. A triangle represents cyclopropane. So a square will
Okay.
represent what?
साइक्लोब्यूटेन.
Yes. A pentagon.
4.
साइक्लोपेंटेन.
Cyclopentane. In. 6. Hexane. मिस सिर्फ साइक्लो ऐड करना है ना आगे.
हाँ बस.
ऐसा शेप में होगा तो.
हाँ.
ओके. हेप्टेन.
ये बताओ ये क्या है?
Cyclodecane.
Very good. Decane why?
10 कार्बन.
Yes.
10. Right. Perfect.
Did you finish?
Yes.
1 minute. Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay, all of you have completed?
यस मैम.
Okay. How many carbon?
हेक्सीन. 1
Six.
हेक्सीन.
Hexene. Why ene?
डबल
Double
बॉन्ड.
bond.
2.
Cyclic है इसलिए
1 साइड.
Cyclohexane.
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 Should I number it?
Yes, ma'am.
Not needed.
What if I place the double bond like this?
Still, I mean, if it's cyclo, then you start the place
Correct?
one displaced.
Yes or no? Double bond हमेशा
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
first carbon पे ही आएगा ना? Am I right? So can I have a different position for the double bond here?
No.
Why means double bond will be always on the first carbon?
Because I'll be numbering from there that carbon which has the
Okay,
double
okay.
bond.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So there is nothing like cyclohex 2-ene or 3-ene. So why 1-ene? 1 is not required here. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
अब नंबरिंग करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि अब ऐसा भी पॉसिबिलिटी है. I can also have like this. समझा? Now pay attention on how I'm numbering it. You have to number the carbon, any of the carbon having the double bond as C1. I could write this as first carbon, this as 1, this as 1, or this as 1. Doesn't matter. Correct? But if I'm numbering this as 1,
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot go from here as 1, 2, 3 because the double bond has to be completely numbered. Completely numbered मतलब अगर ये 1 है तो ये ही 2 हो सकता है. जहां से डबल बॉन्ड शुरू
हम्म।
हुआ वो 1 है, तो जहां डबल बॉन्ड एंड होगा वो 2 होगा। गॉट इट?
Two.
तो नीचे
Okay.
से ऊपर जा सकते हो।
नहीं, डबल बॉन्ड को आधे में छोड़ के नहीं जा सकते, पूरा डबल बॉन्ड को नंबर करना पड़ता है। फाइन। तो अगर ये 1 है तो ये ही 2 होगा, फिर ये 3 4 5 6। इसमें नंबरिंग कहां से
1,
करूंगा?
4 hex die in।
साइक्लो हेक्सा 1 4 डाइन,
1,4 right.
ये आएगा आपका प्राइमरी
2
प्रीफिक्स। ये रूट वर्ड आया। रूट वर्ड कितने कार्बन है बताता है, और इन है, कितनी बार इन है?
2 times.
तो
2
डाई।
बार
तो
डाई
पोजीशंस दिया है और इधर ए
और
लेटर,
वोवल नहीं है।
हाँ ए ऐड किया है क्योंकि ये वॉवल नहीं है। समझा?
Yes, miss.
यस मैम।
हाँ, इसका नंबरिंग कहाँ से करूं? कैन आई स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर? अगर यहाँ
Yes,
से
miss.
शुरू किया तो ये 1 2 3 4 5 आ जाएगा, 1 और 5 पे आ जाएगा। व्हाट इफ आई स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर?
1 2 3।
तो विच इज करेक्ट?
1 2 3।
Cyclohexa 1 5.
5 वाला नहीं लूंगी मैं माय डियर। व्हाई आई विल नॉट टेक 5 वाला? क्योंकि यहाँ से छोटा नंबर आ रहा है ना डबल बॉन्ड्स को, सम ऑफ लोकेंस छोटा मिल रहा है।
Yes, miss.
समझा कि नहीं समझा?
Yes, miss.
डिड
हाँ,
यू
ma'am.
अंडरस्टैंड?
This is sum of locants, na? For small
हाँ,
number.
die।
yes. So this is cyclohexa 1 3 9.
1,3
Did you understand this?
यस मैम। लोकन्स कम आ रहा है इसलिए।
हाँ, लोकेंस कम आ रहा है इसलिए बस।
This is octagon।
Yeah, this is octagon.
cyclo octa 1,3 die।
Miss,
हाँ,
if there would be a vowel instead of T in try, then in octa we would write A or no.
no, then this A will not be there.
So it's only oct, na, like this. O C
हाँ,
T.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
मैम इस बार तो ट्राई इन है।
हाँ, ट्राई इन है क्योंकि 3 डबल बॉन्ड है।
हाँ मैम।
यहाँ तक कुछ भी डाउट है?
नो मैम।
Okay. So can I give you some structures for homework now?
Ma'am, can there be triple
Yes, ma'am.
bonds in a cycle?
That's a good question. ट्रिपल बॉन्ड्स के लिए कार्बन का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन क्या होना पड़ेगा?
sp
एसपी।
और ज्योमेट्री क्या होगा उसका?
linear।
हाँ,
अच्छा, okay,
ट्रिपल
तो
बॉन्ड्स आर नॉट
bonds
पॉसिबल इन अ 6
25।
मेंबर्ड रिंग। 6 मेंबर्ड रिंग में कैन आई से ये बॉन्ड एंगल 180 कभी भी नहीं हो सकता है।
यस।
ये बॉन्ड एंगल 180 तो नहीं हो सकता है। So simplest alkyne will have at
बिल्कुल
least
भी।
minimum 8 carbon. समझा? ये
हाँ
1
मैम।
2 3 4 5 6 7 8। इसमें ये कार्बन 1 2 3 और 8 एक ही लाइन में है। Am I right?
तो इसको नेम कैसे?
यस मैम।
This is cyclooctane. That's all. समझा? तो minimum number of
हाँ मैम।
carbon in a ring to show triple bond will be 8. It's a very good question what you asked. Fine.
Ma'am, double O in the spelling।
हाँ, इसमें डबल हो रहेगा because this is root word and this is your primary prefix. इनको कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं। So can I give you some structures for homework now?
मैम
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम जब दो डबल बॉन्ड आए थे तब आपने एक बार नंबरिंग कैसे किया वो बताइए ना.
Sum of locants लिया ना मैंने.
अच्छा सम ऑफ लोकेंस. ओके मैम. ओके मैम. ओके.
So now I'm giving you a few structures for homework. You do it. And after the class, you send me a message. Huh? I'll add you to the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Give the IUPAC names for these. That's all. I'm giving you just 5 structures. Fine. So I want you to give me the IUPAC.
Yes, ma'am.
These 5
Okay, ma'am.
structures, you can take it as a homework. And I think 15 minutes are there, no? 20 minutes. So I can start with the other part.
Yes, ma'am. Till 2 o'clock.
I will start with the primary, secondary prefix.
One is a heptagon.
One? Yeah, fourth one is a heptagon.
Ma'am, now suffix or prefix here with the
अभी मैं वो
secondary.
पहले वाला ले रही हूँ, secondary prefix. Because still time is there, around 20 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Did you all finish writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Done now, all of you? Okay, so now I move on to the secondary prefix. Secondary prefix indicates the substituents present on the longest chain. The longest chain is also known as the parent chain. This indicates the substituents present on the longest chain. Did you write this?
No, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
यस
Done,
मुफिज, प्राइमरी प्रीफिक्स अभी तक सिर्फ साइक्लो है, बाद में और आएंगे प्राइमरी प्रीफिक्सेस, बाई साइक्लो आएंगे, स्पाइरो आएंगे, वो सब आएंगे। तो प्राइमरी प्रीफिक्स 3 होते हैं। देयर आर ओनली 3 प्राइमरी प्रीफिक्सेस। यू हैव साइक्लो, बाई साइक्लो तब यूज करेंगे जब 2 रिंग्स होंगे, और स्पाइरो भी बाई साइक्लिक में ही आते हैं। ये
Pyro
सिर्फ
is in
3।
case of starch, right?
Pyro also I'll be doing, don't worry. Okay, so there are only 3 primary prefixes: cyclo, bicyclo and spiro. साइक्लो वाला कर चुकी हूँ, बाईसाइक्लो और स्पाइरो बाकी है। Okay, so now I'm going for the secondary prefix.
Okay, ma'am.
Now the secondary prefix tells you about the substituents present on the parent chain. Now supposing I take this compound, how many carbon atoms are arranged in a straight chain here?
4.
So it is butane, am I right?
4.
Now supposing if I replace one of
Yes,
this
ma'am.
hydrogen from this carbon and add a carbon here. So now tell me how many carbon atoms are there in a straight chain?
4.
Still 4, am I right? I could take this as the parent chain of 4
Yes,
carbon,
ma'am.
or I could take this, but both are same. ये chain ले लूंगी या ये chain, दोनों
2
same ही हैं।
methyl butane.
तो अब इसका parent chain ये हो गया. This is the parent compound. Any carbon atoms which are not forming the part of the parent chain, that becomes the substituent. And substituents are always named as a secondary prefix. समझा?
Yes,
Parent
ma'am.
में, अच्छा parent में कितने carbon हैं?
4.
Parent saturated है?
Butane.
हाँ.
Yes.
Do I require a primary
हाँ.
prefix here?
No.
No, because it is not cyclic. Am I right? Do I require a secondary prefix
Yes,
here?
ma'am.
Yes.
No.
Yes, because it has a substituent. Now the
Yeah.
substituent lies on which carbon of the parent chain?
Second.
Numbering उस end से करो जहाँ से substituent
Second.
closest होगा. हाँ, so on the second carbon,
Okay.
I have a substituent having how many carbon?
1.
So give me the root word for the substituent.
1.
Root word is met.
Meth.
And since it is a substituent, its name will
YL.
always end in YL. Substituent का नाम हमेशा YL में end होता है. So it is 2-methyl butane.
Substituent का नाम YL.
हाँ, YL में end होता है.
Oh.
So this is
So
2-methyl.
between methyl and butane, a hyphen or comma something will come.
No space also.
One
It's
word
one
only.
word. It's a single word.
Okay, ma'am.
इसका bond line बना रही हूँ. ये butane है. 1, 2, 3, 4 butane है. Second carbon पे एक methyl का branch है. समझा?
हाँ, ma'am.
Mom, could you give us a list of the substituents?
Substituents can be any number of carbon atoms in a ring, in a
No,
chain.
mom, I mean like methyl, there are more, right? The name.
Okay. See, I don't need to give you a list. See, now you'll understand. Wait.
Okay, mom.
How many carbon atoms in the longest chain here?
5.
5. So this becomes the parent chain and this becomes a substituent. Substituent lies on which carbon of the parent chain?
3.
Third.
2.
Numbering कहीं से भी कर सकते हैं. Am I right? यहाँ से करो या
Yes,
यहाँ
ma'am.
से करो, it's same. On the third carbon, I have a substituent having how many?
Pentane.
This is how many carbon atoms in the substituent?
2.
2.
So root
Two.
word.
2.
8.
Methyl.
And since it's a substituent, its name will end in YN. And then the
YL.
parent is pentane. Did you understand now?
Pent. Yes, ma'am.
I'm like carbon has 1 hydrogen up, 1 hydrogen down. अगर दोनों पे ही अलग-अलग रहेगा तो
Carbon has?
like when we draw the structure, I mean the hydrogen, now we've written CH3, CH2, but actually we can draw lines and show the hydrogen. So say one carbon has methyl up and has the same carbon has methyl down. So how will we name it?
That will be dimethyl. I'll come to that. Just draw this. I'll come to that. Can I say this is pentane? पेंटेन
Yes,
के
ma'am.
थर्ड कार्बन पे ये 2 कार्बन का सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है, समझा? ये ऊपर भी बना सकते हो, ये 2 कार्बन ऐसे ऊपर भी बना सकते हो इससे।
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now pay attention here. Did you say something like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let us
Yes,
name this. How many carbon in the parent chain?
4.
4 carbon. So it's butane,
4.
correct? How many branches does
Yes,
it have?
ma'am.
एक branch इधर है, एक branch इधर
2.
है. So it
Ma'am,
has
it's
2
2, comma
branches.
2.
2 branches means 2 substituents. Each substituent is having how many carbon?
1.
1 carbon.
1.
So there's a
Yes,
methyl
ma'am.
branch here and a methyl branch here. So how many times is the methyl group repeated here?
2 times.
So it is
Twice.
dimethyl.
2.
Right?
Dimethyl butane.
Yes.
Dimethyl.
Numbering is end से होगा. So it will be 2 dimethyl butane.
2,2 dimethyl.
Did you understand now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. इसका बॉन्ड लाइन बना रही हूँ. ये ब्यूटेन है, एक मिथाइल है, ये दूसरा मिथाइल है, समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone not understanding, please ask. Did you all finish writing this?
No, ma'am.
Yes, numbering will be only for the atoms of the parent chain, correct? When you are going to number the substituent chain, that also I will tell you. Okay, not now. Complex substituent होते हैं तो फिर वहां पे substituent को भी number किया जाता है. Complex substituent I'll take it in the next class, not today. Did you finish this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the IUPAC name.
Is that center point is a carbon atom or no?
Carbon, yes.
Non-in?
No. Longest chain में कितने आ रहे हैं कार्बन?
3.
3.
3 कैसे आ रहे हैं?
5.
You can take this as the
Five.
longest chain, correct? You can also take this
Oh.
as the longest chain. ये भी same ही है, correct?
But मैम वो 1 और 2 और
Ma'am, it's
पूरा
not
5 का
linear.
लाइन है, वो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट नहीं हो जाएगा?
ये 3 पे सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है ना, ये 3 पे सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है.
2 पे
2 पे कहाँ है सब्स्टिट्यूएंट? ये 1 2 3 4
नहीं.
5. ब्रांच आपको 3 पे आ रहा है, दोनों ब्रांचेस.
हाँ, मैम.
देखो लॉन्गेस्ट चेन में कितने कार्बन आ रहे हैं?
5.
5.
समझ रहा है कि नहीं?
This 3,
Yes.
3 ethyl pentane.
3 diethyl pentane.
Yes.
And
So your swastik is 3, 3 diethyl pentane. समझा?
हाँ, मैम.
Wait.
2,3.
लॉन्गेस्ट चेन में कितने कार्बन है?
6.
6.
1 2 3 4 5 6. एक सेकेंड.
और 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट.
One methyl, 2 ethyl hexane.
2 methyl 3 ethyl.
Oh yeah, sorry. 2 ethyl, 3 methyl hexane.
Wait for man.
कितने कार्बन का चेन मिला?
6.
अच्छा, अब now pay attention. Can I say this if I take, I'm getting 6 carbon?
Yes, miss.
What if I take this?
6.
Now pay
Six.
attention on what I'm telling you. If I take this as the parent chain, this parent chain has 6 carbon with how many branches?
2.
And if I take this as the parent chain, this also has 6 carbon, but with how many branches?
3.
3 कैसे?
No
One.
branch.
हाँ,
ये आप
two.
parent chain ले रहे हो तो branch तो एक ही है ना इसको.
1 month.
हाँ मैम, वो मैंने भूल से एक्स्ट्रा काउंट कर लिया.
देखो, अगर ये मैंने parent chain लिया तो इसमें कितने कार्बन आ रहे हैं?
6.
With how many branches?
6.
1 branch.
Only one branch. And if I take this
One.
with 6 carbon, then how many branches?
2 branches.
Okay. If
Two
you have
branches.
equal number of carbon to be selected as the parent chain, equal number of carbon present in 2 chains which are having the same to be selected as the longest chain, then select that chain as the parent chain which has more number of substituents. I repeat, if there are 2 chains of equal length to be selected as the longest chain, then select that chain which has the maximum number of substituents. तो अगर मैंने ये चेन लिया तो कितने substituents आ रहे हैं उसमें?
2.
Methyl, 3 ethyl.
और अगर ये चेन लिया तो?
1.
So which is my correct parent
1.
chain? Definitely this one.
Yes.
1.
समझा के नहीं समझा?
Yes.
Did you write
हाँ,
down this rule? Did you write down this rule?
No miss, please repeat.
Please write it
ma'am.
down. Yes.
I have a doubt.
हाँ बोलो.
In this, in the third CH, where there's CH2 and CH3, so we have to consider means as 2 substituents or 1 substituent only.
ये one substituent है ना, एक branch है ना इसका.
Okay.
Okay.
After CH2, how many means compounds can connect? That doesn't depend
How
upon
many
the
carbon
substituent.
ever connected? Not bothered. Not bothered because branch तो एक ही है ना इसका.
Yes, miss. Thank you.
So now write down this statement which I am giving you. This rule. When there are 2 chains of equal number of carbon, when there are 2 chains of equal number of carbon, then select that chain as the parent chain. Then select that chain as the parent chain, which has more number of substituents. Then select
Ma'am,
that
please repeat no.
when there are 2 chains
There
of
are-
equal number of carbons. When there are 2 chains of equal number of carbons, then select that chain. Then select that chain as the parent chain, which has more number of substituents. Then
Then
select
select that chain.
as the parent chain, which has more number of substituents. ठीक है? तो इसमें नंबरिंग कहां से करूं अभी ये parent chain में?
Left.
हाँ, sum of locants check करो पहले. Sum of locants from left to right is smaller as compared to right to left, correct?
Yes, miss.
हाँ, now third carbon has this and second carbon has this. Ethyl is on the third carbon and
2
methyl is on the
methyl,
second.
3 ethyl.
Alphabetical order में name करना है, which will be
3
written for.
ethyl, 2 methyl.
Yes. 3
Three.
ethyl, 2
Two
methyl hexane. Did you understand this?
Hexane. Yes, ma'am. Or
I'm
we
drawing the
can
bond
write
line
it.
for this. This is the bond line. 2 पे मिथाइल है, 3 पे इथाइल है. समझा कि नहीं समझा? समझा है ये?
Yes, miss.
हाँ मैम.
अब क्या करोगे? अब सम ऑफ लोकेंट्स यहां से देखो या वहां से देखो एक ही है. राइट से लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट से राइट. Now when the sum of locants for the substituent is same, then follow alphabetical order. Alphabetical order में पहले कौन आएगा?
Ethyl.
हाँ, तो नंबरिंग उस तरफ से होगा
Ethyl.
जहाँ इथाइल पहले आए. Did you
1,
understand
2.
what I did? For same sum of locants.
Yes, ma'am.
For same
Same sum of local.
sum for same sum of locants of the substituents for the same sum of locants of the substituents, use alphabetical order for determining the priority.
Is 3 ethyl, 4 methyl
Yes,
hexane.
this will be 3 ethyl, 4 methyl hexane.
4 methyl
Did you understand this rule?
hexane. Yes, ma'am.
तो ये हेक्सेन है, थर्ड कार्बन पे इथाइल है, फोर्थ पे मिथाइल.
अच्छा. Methyl है. Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, अब यहाँ से I will continue in the next class. Fine?
मैम अपना ग्रुप भी बनाना है ना.
हाँ हाँ, तो मुझे मैसेज भेज देना अभी, ठीक है?
हाँ मैम. मैम और आप प्लीज वो नोट्स भेज दो ना एक बार.
Can I make the group and share the invite link here in this chat?
Yes, ma'am. That will be easier.
No, because
हाँ
I
मैम.
am using my laptop, no? How to share it in this, I don't know.
You can use WhatsApp and get the link.
वेब. हाँ मैम. Yes, मैम.
इसमें लिंक कैसे फिर
Chrome.
शेयर करूँ? I don't know how to do it.
Ma'am, on Chrome
मैम पहले क्रोम पे
WhatsApp
जाते.
और ग्रुप
WhatsApp ऐप.
वहाँ पे लिंक का ऑप्शन आएगा. ये लिंक आप कॉपी कर सकते हैं.
शेयर द.
Yes, you can share the screen so we can guide you.
एक सेकंड रुको फिर. एक सेकंड. I don't know to do it, just help me out. New group. फिर इसमें add participant बोल रहा है वो. किसको ऐड करूँ अब?
किसी एक जने को ऐड कर दीजिए आप.
Mom, I've sent you a message, so then
I have sent it.
okay.
Okay. But I'll have to copy your number there, na?
Yes, ma'am.
And how do I copy that?
Or what we can do is one of us can make the group and send the invite and then make you as the admin.
हाँ, I think that will be better.
So I'll make the group and send the invite.
You are Sushmita?
No, Disha.
Disha, okay. You are making the group?
Yes, ma'am. Right away.
Okay. Okay, okay.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, you all have to join that group, huh?
So means the
Okay.
link is being
Yes,
shared
ma'am.
now in the chat or in another group?
She's
Now in
making
chat.
she's making the group, so she'll share it now only.
Okay.
So wait here, okay? Don't leave. Very good, Om. If you have enjoyed this, it's good. Okay.
Mom, I wanted to ask something.
Tell me.
Mom, can I say if I follow the linear chain, it will always be safe than following any other kind of chain?
No. It's not necessary. Like if I have something like this. Will the linear chain be the longest chain here?
No, ma'am.
Numbering will be from here, no? From either
Yes,
here or
ma'am.
here. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So this will be.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have sent the WhatsApp group invite.
I joined.
And also send in chat
I'll
also.
send the link to
Everyone
everyone.
can.
Are you sharing it here?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing that.
And you need to make me the admin only, then I can share.
Yeah.
We got it, Lisa.
Okay, all of you have got the link? She shared it here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Organic chemistry.
Because after we join the group, can we leave?
हाँ, you can. What about the others? Here there are 16 only. बाकी सब कहाँ है अभी?
ये सभी तो 18 ही दिख रहे हैं अपना वो जूम में.
17 है participants.
हाँ
18.
आ गया मैं.
18 में से तो
जितने
एक मैं
जूम
हूँ
पे
ना?
उतने. हाँ मैम आप एक.
Thank you,
Nice.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
बाय मैम.
Okay, bye. Those who are here, all of you have joined the group?
यस मैम.
Then I'll end the session, huh?
ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, bye all of you.
बाय मैम. थैंक यू.